Thank you guys so much for purchasing this course. I think you're going to get a lot of great information out of it. And this course is a completely interactive course. It's just not me talking to you, but it really counts on community and you guys actually speaking back with me. So if you have questions, definitely enter them into the comments or discussion. Also, I'd like to create more of these videos. And for me to be able to create more of these videos, I need your support. And for you to support me, you can do it in one of three ways. You can tell your friends about this course. Okay, you could tweet about it, you could interact with each other, or you can give me a rating. Now, this course definitely requires you to, at some point, rate how I'm doing as an instructor. Rate the information, leave a comment and say, hey, I wish you had gone more into it, or hey, you know, there wasn't enough information, or this was great, this was fabulous, okay? So it's very important that you rate and you comment. Also, again, I can't stress this any more than I am now. I really want interaction. I really want you guys to ask questions. You know, if there's something that you particularly want to achieve and you're not finding it within the information here, definitely send me an email or tweet me, or you could actually find me on the Affinity Designer forum. If you go to the forum, my name is Ronnie McBride there, and you can post questions there. I look at those questions a lot. I try to use some of those questions to kind of inform this video that I produce, these courses that I produce for you. I also have a YouTube channel. I just started it, so there's just a few videos there, but I'll be posting a lot more free content that answers a lot of those questions. And then I'm going to come back and hopefully create more of these types of lectures, these paid courses. Now, these paid courses, you know, this is the beginner's course, and it goes through everything. You know, some things that, you know, you may take for granted as a designer, some things that you're maybe transitioning from like Illustrator and you're transitioning into Affinity Designer. I'll be, answering some of those things. You'll see that a lot of the workflow is kind of the same, but there are some differences as well. I'm also going to spend some time for beginners kind of going through kind of the little things like shortcut keys. You know, a lot of shortcut keys that people use as designers, I think is going to make you really a more efficient designer and a more efficient user and faster. You know, being efficient is being faster. So I'm going to go over a lot of those things. And then by the time we're done going through the application, which I'll be doing a lot of little sample projects within the within a lot of the demonstration, but by the time you hit the end of it, you will also have a final project where I take a character, which I'm going to focus on just a character, and I'm going to take that character and I'm going to go through the process of, you know, taking the sketch, importing it in, and then, you know, tracing it and coloring it, and then adding some other details and bells and whistles and things like that. And you'll be able to follow along with this and take the character, use some of the sketches that I will be supplying with the character, or use your own sketches. And then when you're done, I'd like for you guys to post the work that you've created after taking this course. You can definitely take the character after you're done and, you know, add it to your portfolio after you've made your changes and your edits. Hopefully you're making your own characters and you're taking the steps that I've explained here and incorporating it into your own work. Okay, so anyway, I want to get right into the course. Thank you so much once again, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in the boards, and good luck.